Everyone says one thing: be confident. Confidence is the key. Once you're confident, everything will change. But let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt confidence one day and completely lost the next day? Have you ever started with something excitement and then slowly stopped trusting yourself? If yes, then listen carefully. Your problem is not lack of confidence. Your real problem is don't trust yourself anymore. Hey, welcome back to my channel, the Bhumika project. This channel is not about the motivation or quick hacks. Here we understand the psychology behind the self improvement, why you feel stuck, why change feel hard, and how to rebuild yourself from inside. If if you want to real growth, not temporary hype, you are in the right place. And today I'll show you why self trust matters more than confidence and how to rebuild it step by step. Confidence is unstable. Let's understand confidence first. Confidence is based on results, praise, success, external validations. When things go right, confidence is goes up. When something goes wrong, confidence collapses. And that's why one failure destroys your mood. One rejection makes you doubt yourselves. And one bad day makes you quit. Confidence depends on how things are going. That makes confidence fragile. And fragile things break easily. So what is self-trust? Self-trust is very different. Self-trust means no matter what happens, I will handle it. It means I trust myself to try. I trust myself to fail. I trust myself to continue. Self-trust does not say I will always succeed. Self-trust say I won't abandon myself. Confidence asks, am I good enough? Self-trust says, I'll figure it out. This is the foundation of real growth. Why most people lose self-trust? Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't lose self-trust because of failure. They lose self-trust because of broken promises to themselves. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, I will wake up early, I'll work on my goals, and then you don't do it. Your brain records one message: I can't rely on myself. Slowly, silently, self-trust breaks. Then motivation stops working. Then discipline feels impossible. Then you start doubting yourselves. This is not weakness. This is conditioning. The self-doubt cycle is, let's see the cycle. You plan, you delay. You delay, you feel guilty. Guilt, lower confidence. And lower confidence, more delay. And this is repeats daily. Over time, you stop believing in yourself. Not because you are incapable, but because you stop keeping your words yourself. So, how to rebuild your self trust? Now, step the most important of making big promises. Big promises break self trust. Don't say, I will change my whole life. Say, I will do 10 minutes day today. Promises are powerful because they are easy to keep, and every kept promises rebuild trust. Step 2: show off even when you feel low. Self trust is built on behavior, not emotion. You don't need to wait to feel motivated. You act while feeling unsure. Even if you feel tired, feel scared, feel confused, show up in a small way. Your brain learns, I don't quit on myself. Step 3, stop self attacking. If you fail, don't insult yourself. Don't say I'm useless, I'm always fail. Instead of says I'm learning, I'll try again tomorrow. You don't build trust with someone you abuse. Treat yourself like someone you want to rely on. What happens when self trust returns? Something is beautiful happens. You stop overthinking, you stop waiting perfect conditions, you stop fearing failure. Not because of fear disappears, but because you trust yourself. I can handle it. Confidence becomes natural, actions becomes easier, progress feels lighter. Let me leave with this truth. You don't need to feel confident to move forward. You need to know one thing. I will not give up myself. Build confidence first. Build trust first. Confidence will follow. If this video made sense to you, comment below. I'm rebuilding self-trust. And remember, the strongest people are not the most confident ones. They are the ones who trust themselves even in doubt. Thanks for watching.